tourist purpose, so travel for tourist or private purposes. Then click on next step. And so you have to fill these many details, guys. First is travel purpose, personal data, travel documents, visa information. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to apply Serbia visa for Indians. And this, you might not know, Serbia is right in the heart of Europe, but it is not part of Schengen countries. So this is an easy hack for Indians if you have not got your Schengen visa, or if you don't have Schengen visa, or you don't have the documents to get Schengen visa, or if your Schengen visa is getting rejected multiple times. Serbia is a great alternative to go, guys. If you see the map very closely, Serbia borders Romania, northeast Hungary to the north, Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania and Macedonia. So all these countries are Schengen countries mostly, and it is in between the Schengen countries, but it is not part of the Schengen region. So to get visa for Serbia is extremely easy. So you just have to follow my video. I'll be showing you on step-by-step process on how to apply Serbia visa, and the visa processing time is also just 3 to 5, guys. Some people have got it even less than 24 to 48 hours. You won't believe it. So Serbia is a great alternative. Belgrade is a fantastic city to visit, and like I said, it is right in the heart of Europe, so you won't feel like you're not in Europe as such. So this is a great alternative for someone who doesn't have Schengen visa. But you need some amount of documentation, not complete documentation like how Schengen visa requests and biometrics and all this stuff is definitely not needed. So what are the documents required for Serbia visa? First of all, you need to have your passport. Front and last page should be scanned. Front and back pages should be scanned. And then you must have a passport size photo with white background with 80% of face coverage. So if you go and ask, or if you check the requirements for Serbia visa photo requirements, I'll also link it in the description below. You'll see it in the video, but also link it in the description below. And then you must have a cover letter. So if you need any help with cover letter, I can prepare it to you with a very, very reasonable cost. So please do follow me and then ping me on Instagram. And then you would need 6 months of bank statement. So 6 months of bank statement is compulsory. If you ask me on the bank balance, there is no particular bank balance that has been mentioned, but you can keep at least a minimum of 1 to 2 lakhs, guys. So that will really suffice and it will help you get the visa. And the next thing that you need is flights and hotel bookings. There is no compulsion of booking a confirmed flight or a hotel ticket. If you need help on how to book dummy tickets, I've made a dedicated video on this. It is a very simple video, and a lot of people have shown different kind of hacks to get dummy hotels. Please do not do that. There is a way to get dummy flight bookings and dummy hotels, and you have to follow the process. It's not editing an existing dummy ticket and then submitting. A lot of people have made videos on YouTube. I don't want to misguide you. That is not the right process. Follow a confirmed or a proper dummy ticket website like I've shown in this video. So as we know about the documents, the fee structure is somewhere around 5,300 Indian rupees, which I'll also be showing at the end of this video. So please watch this video till the end to gain maximum information out of this video. So without wasting any time, let's go to my screen. I hope you can see my screen. When you go to Google, just type apply Serbia visa, and you will get the first link, that is welcome to serbia.gov.rs. So I'll just take it in a new tab. So once you go to this page, you have to click on e-visa applications, and then there is 2 options, guys. One is login and one is register an account. So for the first time when you guys are doing this, you have to click on register an account. So when I click on register an account, it asks me several details. You have to give your first name, your last name, and do you have foreigner's registration number? No. You give your date of birth, and then you'll have to choose passport issued by India and your passport number, and you have to attach your passport, and your passport can be attached in like both the pages scanned at the same time, front and back. And the username, just give your email address, your password, set the password. So once you click on agree and say I'm not a robot and register, you will get a successfully registration page like this. So because I've already done the registration, and once you kind of click and register, you will get this kind of notification and you will get an email. So once you get the email, you just have to click the verification link and that's it. And that verification link will probably take you to the same page. So let me go, for this video purpose, let me go again. So if I go to this page again, now as I've already registered, you just have to click on e-visa applications, and instead of register an account, just log in with the credentials that you choose. So I've logged in now and I've kept a name for this video purpose, and the visa which we are interested is a short stay visa. C is permitted issued to a foreigner for entry, transit and short term stay for the territory of Republic of Serbia for up to 90 days. So we are going with visa C, start application, and we are going to select the travel purpose. So that is in our case it is definitely going to be tourism. So business trip, travel for education, travel for tourist purpose, this is what we'll choose. So there's a lot of other options also, guys. I was just checking the same: business trip, travel for education, travel to attend international, political, scientific, cultural, sports, travel for members of affiliate delegations, travel for health reasons, diplomatic, transit. So if you're going for transit, a lot of people take for transit because flights from Serbia to Europe, sometimes it is very, very cheap. So for this video is mainly targeted for tourist purpose, so travel for tourist or private purposes. Then click on next step. And so you have to fill these many details, guys. First is travel purpose, personal data, travel documents, visa information, add documents and fees. So like I mentioned the documents in the beginning of my video, please keep those. So it is please keep those documents handy. And last name given here is citizen. Address, I'm just going to mention Jayanagar, and then last name at birth, I'll just mention John. Again, this is for a video, guys. So if you have a last name, do mention last name at birth. If it's different, kindly mention the same as well. So here I'm going to select one kind of a dummy number, and then citizenship, I'm going to select India. Should be male. Date of birth is what we filled. This I'm just going to select married. Country of birth, again this will be India. And father's name and mother's name, they have not marked it as in it's a compulsory thing, so I'm just going to leave these guys blank. And email address, I've given one of my dummy email addresses. And place of birth, Bengaluru. Then do you have a family, spouse's last name? So you can just give your spouse's last name, guys. So you can fill all the details accordingly. So I'm going to just uncheck this. Okay, you cannot remove it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this as single so that I don't have to fill an additional information. But if you fill this as married, you can give so and so details accordingly. But this video will become too lengthy, so this is anyway only spouse details. So I'm just going to mark this as single. And employment information, current profession, just mentioned as employee. Employer's company, again I don't want any copyright, so I'm just going to mention as Ingosys. And employee address, Electronic City, Bengaluru. And employer's telephone number, again I'm just going to mention any of the dummy number. So but you guys fill the proper information. Again, this is only for video purpose, guys. I highly recommend you to fill the correct and proper information. So I'll just click on next step. So the next step would be okay, something is not original citizenship, India. Okay, I think that's all right. Employer address is limited to 30 characters. So I'll just leave this as Bengaluru. Next step. Yeah, next step would be travel documents. So type of travel document is passport for okay, national passport, I think, is the proper passport type. Do you live in any other country that your country of origin? No. Travel document number, again I'll just give a dummy passport number, guys. And issued by India. And date of issue, I'm going to again select a date of issue and date of my actual passport number. So I'm going to mark this as April 4th, 2022, and this would be 2032, April 3rd. Yeah. So filled in all the details, click on next step. So once you click on next step, there's a diplomat or consular representation office in Serbia. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to select New Delhi. and date of arrival Republic of Serbia. So I'm just gonna kind of choose December 20th, and then departure would be 2025 January 4th. And this is for tourist purpose. Number of day stay, I would probably stay around 12 days. Means of transport, again, it's not compulsory. Hashtags, you don't have to really fill this. Other visas issued in the previous 3 years, yes. So I'm gonna select, say, Schengen visa was the latest for me, so I'm just gonna select Schengen visa. And information on previous stay in the Republic of Serbia, no, I've not stayed in Serbia previously. And you intend future residents of Serbia, yeah. So here you have to give your hotel address, guys. And this hotel address, like I've taken a kind of an example, so you can just see I've taken LDS Hotel Belgrade. So I'm just gonna go back to the request. So there's no host as such, so I'm just gonna host telephone number. Again, I'm just gonna put hotel number, and hotel's address is also host address, so I'm going to fill the same. And host email address, again, I don't have, so I'm just going to fill lds@gmail.com for video purpose. And then municipality, it is going to be, so I'm just going to choose this. I hope this is correct. Yes, this is correct. And select a place. I'm just going to select some place, guys, because this is only for video purpose, and I've already submitted my original details, so I don't want to duplicate stuff. What is your travel cost as visa applicant? Yeah, you are the visa applicant, and financial resources for living purposes would be cash. And I'll click on next step. So next step would be add, okay, something is wrong. So street Tobaria and house number would be 004. Select next step. Yeah, the documents would be again to upload a face photo. So I'm just going to select Mr. Bean's photo, but you kindly select the photo accordingly. And the first page of the travel document, go select this, and the next step. So I've completed all the details, guys. So I've just clicked on next step, and then under full responsibility stated, proceed to payment gateway. So you can see here it's 7019 RSD. So I'm just going to use Google for this. 7019 RSD to INR, and this is costing me somewhere around 5,359 Indian rupees. So that will be the cost of Serbia visa. And if I just click on pay, and one additional information like I give in all my videos is you have to enable your credit or debit card. See, payment by card, you have to enable your credit or debit card international transactions, and only then you'll be able to actually pay this. So please do not please do not disable your international transactions and then try, because it is not going to go through. So I've kind of submitted and kind of applied everything, guys. So my actual visa is in progress, but as this is for video purpose, I've selected a few dummy details, so kindly acknowledge the same and fill your original details. So as you saw in the video, guys, some people have got visa within 24 to 48 hours, and some people have got within 15 days. Actually, officially it's around 1 to 2 weeks is when you get your Serbia visa. And like I said, Serbia is very, very good country in terms of its look and feel. Is just like Europe. Like I told in the beginning of the video, it shares border between most of the Schengen countries. So if you have plans to visit Serbia, I would recommend there's a direct flight from Delhi to Belgrade. I think so. Last time when I saw, there was a direct flight from Mumbai to Belgrade as well. So if you're going to Belgrade, try to go somewhere when you want to transit. Try to go in countries like Dubai or Middle East or GCC countries. Try to avoid going from Bangalore, say Bangalore, Delhi to Paris, and then Paris to Belgrade. I suggest you not to do that, because stepping into a Schengen zone and again going into a non-Schengen zone, you might need a transit visa for countries like Paris or any of the Schengen countries. So please, again I repeat, please do check the rules and then go for it. What happens is government releases some kind of rules, we make a video, and then tomorrow again they change the rules and you complain on the video saying that no, it's your information is wrong. This is what happens. So I'll be posting regular information on my YouTube shorts. So please do watch out for my YouTube shorts so that you'll be updated with the information. So I hope this video was very, very informative, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video.